Hi, I am Anne, your virtual success advocate from ZAPTEST. ZAPTEST is a leading free and enterprise software test automation and RPA tool. To use the ZAPTEST free edition, check out our website, ZAPTEST.AI. There are a few metrics that developers use when testing API to ensure that they operate to a high enough standard. Some of the metrics that software testers examine when completing API testing include 1. CPU usage. The amount of the CPU processing power that an API uses. Similar metrics include RAM usage and CPU usage, with high usage levels under relatively low load from the API, indicating that the API is working less efficiently than it should be. 2. Errors per minute. The number of errors that the API is returning when under constant strain. A high rate of errors per minute demonstrates issues, while a high proportion of errors per minute occurring under higher loads shows issues with larger tasks. 3. Latency. The level of delay that the API shows between initially making a request and receiving a result at the end of the process. The higher this period of time, the greater chance there is of an issue occurring, especially under higher levels of load. If by now you have any inquiries or are considering learning more about ZAPTEST, drop a message on the website at the red widget, and we would be pleased to help you along the way. Make sure to comment and share this video with your peers and colleagues. By seeing your interest, we'd be making more videos like this, making hard topics easily digestible. Thank you for watching. Make sure to read the article linked in the description.